Subscribe to this channel and don't forget to ring that bell. Get all my recipes in video form. That's fantastic. And today, comfort food. Not like you're thinking. It's dessert comfort food. Hey, comfort food like apple pie and stuff like that. Today, chocolate mousse. Fantastic. And you know what? It's vegan. Let's get cooking. Okay, so we have to start with like a base, the chocolate base. And to do that, I'm going to take a small pot and a half a cup of water. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. That's unsweetened cocoa powder. Looks like this. Look at that. Special dark cocoa powder. Wonderful stuff. Hershey's. A name you trust. Hey, I don't have any stock in Hershey's, but Hershey's is a good company. Got good chocolate, Hershey's, but good stuff. I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of sugar, but not just any sugar. This is coconut palm sugar. It's a little healthier for you. It's a type of a raw brown sugar. Very nice. Half a teaspoon vanilla. And the vanilla I'm using is a very good Mexican vanilla. It's a lot less expensive than the classical vanilla, but it's the same quality. Mexican vanilla, very good. I got here a half a teaspoon of cinnamon and just a pinch of salt. Okay, I'm going to bring this all together. I'm going to let this just simmer very slowly for about 4 or 5 minutes. Just to get everything dissolved and beautiful. Hey, while the chocolate's cooking, we're gonna put a little bit of fruit into it, into this chocolate mousse. Hey, a little fruit in the chocolate mousse is a good thing. It's got to be the right fruit, something that goes with chocolate. How about strawberries? I got a package of frozen strawberries, and I measured out 1.5 cups of frozen strawberries. I put it in this little blender, and I have to puree it smooth. That looks terrific. Very colorful. Very nice. Okay, now I have this big bowl here. I'm going to assemble everything in this big bowl. I have my strawberry puree. Nicely done. Look at that. Woo! I can just eat that with a spoon right now. Hey, remember that chocolate mixture I was making on the stove? Beautiful, good, dark, luxurious chocolate. Oh, that smells terrific. Wow. I like the way the cinnamon smells. Next thing I have to add is almond milk. You can use almond milk, oat milk, whatever milk you like. Non-dairy, of course. 1.5 cups. It looks just like chocolate mousse, except one thing. It's not like creamy and light consistency. I gotta fix that right away. I'm going to throw in a very healthy ingredient that's going to make this dish unbelievably beautiful. Chia seeds. Hey, chia seeds are fantastic. Very healthy for you. Listen, I'm not going to give you all the health aspects. Google it. Find out yourself. But chia seeds are very good. And they like bloom. They like absorb moisture and bloom. You know what? It's going to make this a very delicious and very creamy dish. Okay. Okay, all together I'm putting in 1 cup of chia seeds. Those are chia seeds. Wonderful. Okay, 1 cup of chia seeds. Then I have these deli containers. I love these deli containers. They're so useful. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour this right into that deli container. Hey, it fits perfectly. I'm going to cover this. Hey, I cover up I can't talk, it's early in the morning. I'm going to cover this up nice, put it in the refrigerator. I made this early in the morning so that it has time in the refrigerator to set. It's going to take about 6 to 8 hours, or overnight's even better. So I'll put it in the refrigerator, and I'll see you later. Boy, I got 6 hours to watch TV or whatever till I pull this out of the refrigerator. Wow, it's a lot of time, it's a lot of TV. What am I going to watch? I don't know, maybe a couple of movies. I'll catch you later. All right. Okay, I just took this out of the refrigerator. It's been about 8 hours, so it's nice and set. I like to use an ice cream scoop, just easier that way. And it looks nicer. Look at that. Okay, so this is going to be a little more dense than traditional chocolate mousse. You know, because chocolate mousse is like, it's got a lot of air in it. This doesn't. It's more like a chocolate pudding right now. So we have to make it lighter. How are we going to make it lighter? Ta-da! Hey, this is a vegan whipped cream in a can. Now, you have to, if you do this, you kind of have to buy the whipped cream already prepared, because to make your own vegan whipped cream, I don't even know how to do it. I won't lie to you. I don't even know how to do it. Cream is easy. You can whip it up, but the vegan whipped cream, to whip up like coconut cream, doesn't work the same way. So I get it in a can. It's okay. I use a little bit, and the reason why I use this, it just helps to aerate the chocolate mousse. So you eat the mousse with the whipped cream, and it kind of gives you that lightness and great flavor. So there you go. Woo! I like that. Hey, this is fantastic. This is a great little dessert. Very healthy. Good stuff. Hey, Google chia seeds. You'll see how healthy it is. Okay, so as wonderful as this is, I have another wonderful dessert. Kind of like comfort food as well. Brownies. Made with black beans. You got to check out that video. It's awesome. I'll see you there.